This is Alan Bush with the Daily Financial Forecast for Tuesday, April 28th. Stock index futures performing very well again today. We now have the S&P 500 up for a third day, and also these are the highest levels that we have seen since March 9th. It appears that central banks are still in a very accommodative mode, and that might be one of the reasons why we have seen these recoveries in recent weeks. Moving over to the currency markets, the dollar index trading lower now for a third day. And yesterday we did roll under an uptrend line. Could be that longs are getting out of positions in advance of the two-day FOMC meeting that starts today. Possibility is that the Fed may be a bit accommodative in their tone, and I think that will be the case. Moving over to the interest rate futures markets, higher prices there. I think it's kind of interesting that the stock index futures and interest rate futures both higher at the same time. Normally these are opposites. This implies that traders believe more easing of credit is coming from the world's central banks. That would account for, I believe, higher stock index futures and higher interest rate futures markets at the same time. And the gold market giving back some of the recent gains, although it is coming up to major support around the 1700, 1705 level. I think that will hold. Longer term, the technical outlook still appears to be favorable for gold futures. So good trading, everyone. Once again, remember, these are my opinions alone and are not the opinions of ADMIS or ADM.